The democratic government which my husband died for has betrayed Chris and his family by releasing his assassin, and I will not withdraw that statement.
Kulukulwa ka mmolai wa Hani Januswa Luz ka parola ngwagola ka Disemere go latela taelo ya gore tsheko ya molaotheo go thulantse puso ya President Cyril Ramaphosa le mohlologadi wa Chris Hani Dimpho ka ditlhogo. Dimpho o re lekala la molao kudu gore tsheko ya molaotheo e swanetse go solwa ka go sererishane le yena pele e lokolla Januswa Luz. O boetse a latofatsa mmuso ka le reng o lebetse ka baka le bantwa ba o bontsi ba phelelago bohloking jwa go šiša.
As long as there is no political will, as South Africans, we are going to suffer. We need a leadership that takes decision, that looks after the poor, that loves your people. In the beginning, you loved us. I don't know what has changed. Whether it's power, it has run into your heads, then you're forgotten.
Mopresidente wa Kosatu Zingisa Losi o re kabo ye fokolago ya ditirelo ke bohlatsi jwa pale gore mmuso o kgelegile go seo Chris Hani a be go a nyaka go se fitlhelela.
With poverty levels continue rising and corruption crippling the state, one efficient state-owned entities that is in ICU, and an economy that crippled by the load shedding, and municipalities that are struggling to provide basic services, then we have in many ways failed Comrade Chris's memory.
Motlatsi wa mongwaledi kakaretso wa mathomo wa ANC Nomvula Mkonyane o sotse strike sa malokwane hao ka go šitisha badudi ba naga ye go fitlhelela ditirelo tša maphelo.
Preventing ambulances from delivering the sick into public health facilities doesn't serve the cause of anybody but social conservative forces who will seek to convince society that the trade union movement is a nonsensical social excess baggage.
Lekgotla la makomonisi SABC le ipiletša gore semphatho sa ANC Kosatu le SABC se lebelelwe leswa gore se kgone go thopa dikgetho kakaretso tša išago.